Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to explore an impressive and exciting footage of heavy-duty machines, the giants of the industrial world. These mechanical monsters conquer tough materials, lift tons, and perform tasks that were previously almost unimaginable. Let's get started. This stone cutting machine is a nightmare for any hard material, especially natural stone. When this machine operates, the rotating circular saw head is a prominent and relentless force in motion. Its destructive power makes the cuts on stone slabs precise and terrifying, like savage wounds. With its superior performance, the stone cutting machine can cut widths ranging from 40 to 180 mm and depths from 400 to 1,200 mm, turning it into a ruthless machine always ready to face the toughest challenges. The SC850 PRO, a formidable tree stump grinder with a powerful rotating head on the forestry battlefield, turns giant tree stumps into pulp in the blink of an eye. With impressive dimensions, measuring 6.5 meters in length and 2.5 meters in width, combined with an 850 horsepower engine, it operates powerfully and reliably. The SC850 PRO is not just a tree stump grinder. It represents strength and superior capability in the field of tree stump grinding. The moment the 3-meter wide roller of the Chopper 1100 series turns, it seems to crush the whole world. With a horsepower figure of 175, this machine turns raw materials like grass, dry grass, straw, and turf into gold at your fingertips. Its colossal weight, up to 27,500 pounds, ensures stability and strength in all operations. The 72-inch roller drum diameter makes wood chipping a highly efficient and incredibly precise action. When the Chippo 8010C wood chipper comes into view, you'll be intimidated by its shredding mechanism, akin to hundreds of razor-sharp giant shark teeth. These teeth work relentlessly with the help of a flexible grabbing component. It can shred wood at a rate of up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour, including logs with a diameter of up to 90 km, an unbelievable figure. Uniforest Profi 120G power forestry winch. With the capability to pull 12 tons and a massive 120G engine, it represents the pinnacle of power and performance in the forestry industry. It's like a colossal dinosaur-like machine that overcomes all gravitational forces, an icon of unparalleled strength. The 120G engine is an incredibly powerful energy source, combined with the ability to pull 12 tons, making even the heaviest logs a minor challenge in its sights. The pasture aerator, with its immense size and weight, is truly an impressive machine in the task of caring for pastures. Its unique structure consists of 2 large rollers with sharp and efficient air injection heads tightly attached to the frame beneath a powerful engine-driven tractor. It operates boldly like a land monster, ready to clear tough, invasive vegetation, create large holes, and provide efficient irrigation. With the remarkable capabilities of this machine, the challenging task of dealing with stubborn vegetation mats has been swiftly resolved. The DF703 Phoenix becomes as mighty as a knight of the land, its power exceeding what we could imagine. It operates vigorously and reliably, delivering superior vegetation mat crushing power of up to 1,000 square meters per hour while playing a vital role in environmental protection and the creation of invaluable recycling resources. The Ecolodge 680 a monster in the forestry industry with its fearsome arms, elevates work efficiency to an astonishing new level. This is no ordinary machinery. It's a giant, weighing around 30,000 kilograms. With the robust assistance of a powerful 400 horsepower engine, it has the ability to cut over 500 trees per hour. It doesn't stop there. It also neatly processes each tree stump up to 60 centimeters in preparation for the next transportation. A highly perfect alternative to manual cleanup is the hydraulic vacuum recycling bucket, Dynaset HRVB. Dynaset HRVB employs a specially designed bucket that is incredibly creative, combining the perfect shape of a U-shaped box and the functions of a dust vacuum and blower. This bucket plays a crucial role in environmental cleanup and recycling. With its rotating and lifting capabilities, it can perform various tasks with optimal flexibility. This makes Dynaset HRVB a versatile and efficient tool in handling hydraulic waste and significantly improving the environment. The Caterpillar 345C is a colossal giant in the world of dump trucks with the ability to lift loads of up to 15,000 kilograms at once. What's even more astonishing is its weight, around 46 tons, and it is equipped with a powerful engine producing over 400 horsepower, turning it into a heavenly excavator ready to clear and overcome any obstacle in the fierce battle of construction and mining. Do you have the courage and ability to control this special tree trimming helicopter? This tree trimming helicopter is truly a more daring feat than any adventure sport. With more than a dozen sharp saws connected and tightly secured to the tail of the helicopter, they perform the task of pruning branches in dense, tall forests, reaching heights of up to hundreds of meters while ensuring absolute accuracy and perfection at every angle. It's impressive to witness the strength of human ingenuity and technology in confronting the challenges of nature in every possible way. Considered the world's largest stone soil cultivator and crusher, the power of the MaxiSoil 350 is truly astonishing. With the ability to cultivate soil up to 5 meters wide and crush stone at a rate of up to 350 tons per hour, this machine is a true marvel in the industry. Its weight is also immensely impressive at up to 200,000 kilograms, and it boasts a monstrous 600 horsepower engine, allowing it to effortlessly overcome any challenge. The MaxiSoil 350 truly delivers outstanding efficiency and capabilities, ushering in a new era in the construction industry. This fence-making machine truly simplifies and speeds up every task to an unbelievable extent. It's a delicate fusion of the raw power of a robust breaker-type post driver with the precision and stability of a 4-line hydraulic tensioner. The breaker-type post driver, with its limitless power, is a super weapon that quickly softens and cleans the soil. The 4-line hydraulic tensioner, with astonishing accuracy, aids in positioning and efficiently creating a sturdy fence. With its remarkable adjustability, it helps farmers save a significant amount of time and effort. Don't forget to follow us in the upcoming videos, where we will introduce you to other heavy-duty machines, along with interesting stories and valuable knowledge about technology and science. See you in the next videos. Have a great day, everyone.